Why choose a side-discharge heat pump? A side-discharge heat pump is a type of HVAC system that releases air horizontally from the side of the unit rather than vertically from the top like traditional systems. It's designed to be compact, quiet, and ideal for installations in tight or visually sensitive areas such as yards, patios, or even under decks. This design also simplifies installation by reducing the clearance requirements and enabling versatile placement options without compromising performance. Whether for new construction or retrofit projects, a side-discharge heat pump provides efficient, quiet operation with minimal disruption. Key benefits of a side-discharge heat pump. There are 5 key benefits to a side-discharge heat pump. 1. Space-saving design, perfect for homes with limited outdoor space or strict aesthetic requirements. 2. Quiet operation. This unit operates at lower noise levels, making it ideal for noise-sensitive environments. Energy efficiency. Equipped with inverter technology and high CO2 ratings, offering significant energy savings. Cold climate performance maintains heating capacity in freezing temperatures, often down to -13 degrees Fahrenheit. And finally, modern aesthetics. Sleek, low-profile design that blends into the home's exterior. In short, side-discharge heat pumps prioritize space efficiency, flexible installation, and quiet performance, offering both homeowners and installers a streamlined, space-saving solution.